Hello everyone, welcome back to another video in perspective drawing series. In this video, I'm going to teach you two exercises through which you can up your perspective game by a huge margin. So let's get started. Alright, so the first exercise is something called as the game of lines. Pardon my bad handwriting, right? So what we are going to do in this exercise is place any 2 points anywhere in space like this and try to connect them by a straight line. It's as simple as that. So one more time. So point 1, point 2 and then just connect them by a smooth straight line. And you can begin by placing the two dots close to each other like so and then just connect them, and as you gain some confidence increase the distance and like this just hit them with a straight line and be confident when you're doing this. That's really important, and there is no need to keep drawing these lines in a like in a parallel manner. You can just place any two dots randomly and then just hit them with a straight line. So keep doing these exercises, as in fill in one page every day for the next 1 week, and by the end of the first week I guarantee you that your ability to draw straight lines would have gone up by a huge percentage. So yeah, this is called game of lines, or this is what I would like to call it. So let's do one more thing and then just keep on adding some lines over here. And one tip that I would like to give is, say for example, place the first dot over here and second dot over here and just start with here by keeping the pencil over here and then just concentrate on the end point, right? So don't keep on looking at the tip of your pencil or pen. Start over here and then just concentrate over here and you will hit it. Oops, okay. And one more here, start end over here, concentrate at the end point, and that's it. So over here, this. Don't think too much about the accuracy while doing these exercises. Your accuracy and speed will get better over time naturally. It's all in the muscle memory. So the more you practice this, the better you're going to get this. And why this is important is because whenever you're drawing in perspective, it is very, very important to hit 2 points which you want to hit. It's as simple as that. You can't go and grab your straight edge every single time, which is going to slow you down. And when you're practicing, you want to keep up the speed. Otherwise, you're going to lose things, you're going to get frustrated and so on. Like for example, over here I just missed this point by some distance, but there's no need to worry, just keep at it. As I said, one page every single day for 1 week and you're going to see a huge progression in your drawings or in your ability to draw straight lines. See, that was a pretty good one. And I'll just go ahead and finish the remaining space that I have it over here. And one more tip is keep on spinning your page as is comfortable for you. You just need to practice drawing these lines in one direction and that's it. You don't have to keep on train your hand to draw in every single orientation that is possible. So just pick an angle which is comfortable for you and spin the paper accordingly, and you are good to go. All right, so that's it about the game of lines. Let's move on to our second exercise, which I would like to call game of dots. And this is actually much simpler than the game of lines because you don't even have to draw anything over here. So this is how the game is played. All right. So the exercise is place one dot like this and place the second dot, 1, 2. And the goal is to place the third dot at exactly the same distance as the distance between the first two dots. All right. So one dot, second dot, third dot should be somewhere over here. Right. Approximately the same. That's it. That's all you need to do in this exercise. So let's play this one more time. Right. So first dot over here, second dot over here, and just think where you need to place your third dot. Right. And let's just continue playing this game. First dot, second dot, third dot. And say you have first dot over here, second dot over here, and third dot I need to place on the other side. This is also very important. So yeah, something like this. And why these exercises are important, I will tell you in my next video, where we will use these two techniques to draw a 2-point perspective grid freehand. So yeah, you get the importance of these two exercises now. And over here, so we have two dots over here. Let's intersect them by placing a dot exactly at the middle. Over here, perfect. And let's do the same over here. Two dots, one dot here, and like this. So you get the idea. Over here, like this. It's very, very simple and fun to play, I guess. Once you get a hang of it, you can just increase the speed very, very quickly. So over here, you can just keep on placing them anywhere you like. And this will teach your brain the ability to judge distances between objects or any 2 points in space when you're drawing in perspective. And that skill is of utmost importance, the ability to judge the distance, because your perspective is made or broken when the distances between two dots or two lines or two objects is not how it should be. And this exercises teaches your brain that capability to see if the distances are right or wrong. All right. So yeah, these are the two exercises which I'm teaching you this week, and practice these two exercises for about like say 10 minutes, 15 minutes every single day for 1 week, and you can report me back about your progress on my over in the comment section to see if these exercises are making sense or not. All right. Alright, so I guess that's it about this video. I will see you all in my next one. See you. Bye bye. Take care, everyone.